Coda. Coda. Coda.
Hong Kong has never had a man compete at the Winter Games, but this one is about to change that.
Coda. Coda. Sadie, get the kitty.
South Korea, all for the sake of his is obviously the flag bearer tonight.
What's Coda doing?
Trying to eat my pizza piece.
Huh?
Trying to eat my pizza piece.
Next is Georgia, and as they enter the stadium,
No, Sadie, it's okay. It's okay. So, Coda was sleeping with Sadie yesterday?
Yeah.
And oh, I gotta sneeze again. I hate when I gotta sneeze. Ooh! Yeah! That's how it's done, baby.
Okay, continue your story.
I gotta sneeze again.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah! That'll raise your blood pressure. Want to take my blood pressure?
No, it would drop it. Because you're vaggling yourself down.
I got another one coming. Let's see if I can get that one to go away. Look at a bright light.
Put a finger under your nose.
I blew it away. Oh, now I'm lacrimating. All of my senses are just watering. Oh, man.
Yeah. Okay, continue your story.
I don't even remember what I was talking
Sadie, or Coda was sleeping with Sadie.
Oh, yeah. And Coda must have been messing with Sadie or chewing on her back. That was it. See, I got that one to go away.
Yeah.
I'll just talk like this.
Okay.
And so
Gotta draw a mustache on your finger.
Cat must have been messing with Sadie in Sadie's sleep. All of a sudden, Sadie woke up, reached around, and growled at Coda really bad, and then just kind of gnarled it. And I looked back, and Coda's head was just full of slobber. Sadie must have given him a little head bite or something. And Coda was like all indignant. You know how cats are when they get wet?
Yeah.
Especially when it's stinky slobber. He's like, and his ears are flat out.
That's funny.
So he got up real slowly and walked away.
That's funny.
Are you making a YouTube?
Maybe. I don't know. I was just videoing Cat. Coda.
It's impossible sometimes to separate politics from the equation. It can't be done. It hasn't
Okay,
been
you
done
gotta
for
make
a
that
long time.
YouTube and then I'll cross-reference you and get subscribers to go to you.
Berlin for their
Okie dokes.
I'll say, Caitlin,